All right, so I am making breakfast casseroles for dinner tonight. Yes, it is 7:50, almost 8 o'clock at night. We got a late start. Nobody felt good today, so I'm making breakfast for dinner. The first one, the base is going to consist of, you can either use the frozen pancakes I am using tonight. I'm using these buttermilk pancakes that you get in the store that have like 3 per pack, whatever. I bought them for breakfast sandwiches, but I have so much pancake mix that I'll just end up making my own, so it's fine. So the first one is pancakes. You can use waffles or whatever. The second one is going to consist of a base of tater tots. You can use hash browns if you want. If I can get them out. Hash browns on the bottom. So I sprayed my pans with Pam. I just used this high yield canola Pam, like whatever. And then I'm going to crack some eggs and place those on top first. I've got ham in the fridge. You can use bacon, sausage, or whatever. I'm going to use sausage for the pancakes and ham for the tater tots. And then a bunch of cheese. And then I'm going to end up making some country gravy to like pour on top. So give me just a second and I will be back with that. So now that I have all my veggies prepared, so again, this is the potato and egg breakfast casserole bake. This one has tater tots, eggs, and ham. And then I always divide it in half because not everybody in my family likes veggies, but I love all the veggies I can get. So I used some of the green peppers that I grew over the summer and had frozen in my freezer. I used green onions, red onions, and some baby portobello mushrooms. And then on this side is the pancake side. My youngest is obsessed with pancakes, so I thought he would like this one. It's got pancakes, the little rounds that you get in the frozen breakfast section. I kind of placed, I fit six here, and then I broke 3 more up and just kind of placed them around to kind of fill in all the spaces. I did some of the banquet breakfast sausages that they're about that big. I let them defrost and de-thaw in the fridge overnight. I cut those up into little pieces for the meat on this one. And then on this side I did again some more of the green peppers that I grew over the summer and froze in the freezer. I de-thawed those and cut them all up. Green onions, red onions, and some baby portobello mushrooms. So next up is the cheese, and then we are going to top all of this off with some country gravy. All right, so I had a little bit of Velveeta, a little bit of a block of Velveeta left, so I went ahead and chopped that up into small pieces and put that on the non-veggie side, just to give it a little bit more substance, a little bit more cheesiness. I have a block of Monterey Jack here. I've got a block of Gouda, and then I've got some Swiss. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the rest of that on top, and then we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. Again, I have my oven set at 350, and it should only have to go in there for about 18 minutes. All right, so here it is, folks. This is the breakfast casseroles that I am making for dinner tonight. I used about half a block of Velveeta cheese for each side of the non-veggie side. I used about 8 ounces of Gouda and 8 ounces of Monterey Jack shredded on each side of the veggie side. And I also sprinkled a little bit more cheese over on the non-veggie side as well. So I'm going to go ahead and stick these in the oven at 350 for about 18 to 20 minutes. And then while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make some country gravy. Yum, it looks so good. We're gonna let that bake. All right, here is my my country gravy. It literally consists of milk, water, cornstarch, salt and pepper, and it's getting right where I need it to be. My oven actually just beeped, and this is what it looks like now. So I'm about to get everything out and get it plated and garnished, and I will come back with the final result. Look at that. Here is the country gravy that we're going to be placing on top. This one, I believe, is the pancake one that I will probably put some maple syrup on the side just because of the pancakes. Maple syrup always adds everything and makes everything look better and taste better. And then this one is the tater tot breakfast casserole. Oh my gosh, those look absolutely delicious. All right, so here we have our country gravy. It's a little bit thinner than I usually make it, but I needed it to last a little bit longer. I probably could have added a little bit more cornstarch, but it's okay. It really does taste fine. Mason, do you need a little bit more salt and pepper, or are you okay?
Good.
All right, cool. This is the regular side without any veggies. I did both. You can see the little layers in there. This one is the potato one. This one is the pancake one. Mace, can I get a picture of yours real quick?
Yeah.
All right, so Mason already kind of started diving into his. He's got some syrup on his pancake one, and then he's got some country gravy on his other side. So, yum. All right, so I gave my older son a little bit of everything because he just loves to eat. We've got the pancake one, we've got the potato one with cheese, with veggies, all of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and douse his in some gravy because I know he loves it, so. All right, and there we have it, folks. Yum.